Okay, hi you guys. My name is Jessica Rodriguez, and today we're going to go over Socrative. Um, so as you can see, you create a login, teacher login. This will create your room, and as you can see, mine is Rodriguez574, and I have made a few quizzes already. The quizzes are super easy to make. You start off by titling, so I'm going to name this quiz Planets Quiz 1, and we're going to add questions. My first multiple choice, how many planets are in the solar system, are in our solar system? And you can put 4, 6, 7, 8, and even 9. So you can have as many answers as you want, if you can see this. And then you're going to pick the correct answer and save it. And after that, you can keep adding questions. You can add true or false or a short answer. We're going to add a true or false. The first true or false question is going to be, Earth is the third planet from the sun. So it can either be true or false. In this case, it's true, and then we save it. You can also add images to the answers. The next one can be a short answer question. So in this case, we can ask what kind of no okay, so this question can be what is the closest planet to the sun? And then you can add all the possible answers. So in this case, it's Mercury. You can add different answer options, like in case your students misspell. I can't imagine Mercury being spelled any other way, but you know, if you have a student who is not that good at spelling, you can also add answers that would make sense. And then that's a quiz, and then you save and exit. It'll appear as untitled, but then once we refresh, it'll pop up. So then to launch a quiz, you can do it as a quiz or as a space race. A space race, you can even have your students go as groups, and you can set it up to where they are already pre-made groups. You get to choose who's in what group and how many groups you have. Or you can even make these quizzes exit tickets. So I could make it as an exit ticket, and apparently I had one running, so you could just cancel that one and start a new one. And it'll show you can show names or the answers. So we're going to go into a different browser and play as a student. So the room name is Rodriguez 574. Join. I'm gonna pick Lauren. Okay. I don't know what quiz is running. Oh my goodness. Okay. How well did you understand today's material? Totally got it pretty well, not very well, not at all. What did you learn in today's class? Today I learned about the planets. Please answer the teacher's question. So you can have a question like on the board or something, and students are still able to answer through here. So let's say I asked what was the first of the Jovian planets. Say Jupiter and submit answer. So, and then it tells you that you're done. So we're going to go back to here, and Lauren has made an A. So then we can finish this one. You can view reports, view chart, or to lunch. We're going to start over and go to quizzes. And let's see. Okay, so that was going over the exit ticket. Now we're going to go over the quiz. Start a new activity. And we're going to go with the math quiz number 1 that I made earlier today. You're able to choose the method and the settings. So I want to require names. Oh, I have to choose them. Let's do instant feedback and it'll adjust them. Then you have options to shuffle questions or the answers and show final score. So we're going to start. And now we're going to go into soccer tip again. Excuse me. And we're waiting on the next quiz. Let's see. 574. Join. My name is going to be my name today. Okay. Math is awesome. So if you put false, you see that that answer is incorrect. And we go to the teacher page and we see that they got number 2 wrong. Timmy had 3 apples. He gave 1 apple to Jimmy. How many apples did Timmy have left? This one is kind of confusing because of the name. So we're going to choose an answer. And it says submitted. And then, okay, so we submitted it. And now we see that Jessica has completed the entire activity. And it'll show you the rest. And then you get to see the reports. And then I think we're all done.